Oh, good day. Oh, long time to see. Oh, it's a good day. How are you, everyone? Oh, spring has come and my garden is very good. At first, I will introduce this one. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, flowers. This is tulip flower. It's very cute. Every season, flower them. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, it's very cute. Oh, hello. Oh, nice tulip. Oh, thank you. And flowers. Another flower is blooming. That tree, magnolia tree. Magnolia is from China, and now flowering. From this side. Kiddo. Magnolia's flower. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's very good. Oh, and ham antenna is neighbor's hand. Neighbor's one. Oh, it's my house. Oh, it's magnolia. There are some colors magnolia. Our house's magnolia is white, but there are pink or red flower in magnolia. And this is neighbors. But sakura is blooming a little. This is neighbors sakura. Let's see. Now it's about 30% blooming. Blooming is soon. It is neighbors. This is neighbors sakura. It's good. It's good. This is other side of my house, and this is my car's junk parts. My car's junk parts. That's from this side. to my house. It's a ladder. I forgot it. And it's a ladder. Oh, shade small flower. Oh, these are boiler system. Oh, and this is a map. This is a Benishu Hall. Benishu Hall is one of cherry blossom. Oh, cherry blossom. Oh, this is hydrangea. Hydrangea soon. And oh, another cherry. This is cherry. Oh, cherry. And this is main cherry tree. And this is Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage, but oh, this is what? This is what? This is purple. Not good. Oh, I will put off this soon. Oh, this time I want to introduce this very cute tulip. Oh, very cute one. Oh, also this season I will introduce my Japanese garden. Little by little. So please enjoy my Japanese garden. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you very much. Good day everyone. Long time no see. Now my channel subscriber is 950 6 today. I decided a small goal this season. When the number reached to 1,000, it happens. Good thing for me. So I try to subscribe to 1,000 this season. Thank you very much. and have a great day. sayonara.